Ladies and gentlemen, so in this area we are showing the KVM and video control over fibers. It's uncompressed technology by FPGAs. So the video quality is transmit over the original qualities. So let's check how to build it. Data center rack. The source will be transmitted by our oh. So it's our KVM Matrix consoles and the transmitter nodes to connect it with the PC source to transmit the video by HDMI or DVI cables and USBs for the keyboard and mouse control. And we have the receiver nodes to connect with the video screen or the operator monitors on the consoles. So there is two platforms to manage the whole systems. The first one is the video controlling tab softwares. So let's check the software for the Windows tablet versions. It's the video control management software installed on the Windows tablet. So on this software interface, we can real-time preview the source and basically the drag and drop controls to switch the video source, and we can also to make zoom controls. So on these platforms, we can integrate the fiber KVM solution and IP encoder decoder into the same platforms. So we can preview the source from the IP encoder decoders and the source from the fiber KVM matrix. So whichever source we need to display on the video wall, we just drag and drop, and also to change the video layout. And we can also to integrate all the environment control on the controlling softwares, the lighting controls, the power on off, or the magic leds by RS232s. And another features similar with the IP-based video control, we will introduce another solution for the video control KVM later. After the controlling software, let's check the KVM control. Okay, as we just explained, all the source PCs and transmitter nodes is installed in the data center rack, and on our operator console there is just two monitors connected with two receiver nodes. So just use one keyboard and mouse, we can cross the monitor switching and control the source. If we need to switch another source, just double click the control, then we can double click or move and press enter. And we can also to change the video layout. So on this, for example, on the right monitors, we can access different PCs on each multi-viewer windows. So if the operator, if I want to control the source for it, just move the mouse and control on this lab. For better collaborations, for example, if I want to share my desktop content or PC source to the video wall, we can push the source by double click the shift and to click the so we can select the video walls and push it. 这里暂停吗？ So talking about the collaboration features in the control rooms, if the operator wants, for example, if I want to share my desktop to my colleague to ask him some assistance or edit some files, we can use the fast push features, double click the shift, and there will be pop up the push OS interface, and we can select by user or the screens. For example, 2K1 is the right thing. After I double click, and the screen will be changed. Yeah, okay, that's it, thank you.